21 more days till Christmas! Woo! Now, this is a very simple one. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a bow that you can use as an ornament on your Christmas tree. Not by using ribbons with the wire edges that we buy in the gift shop, but with using fabric. So you're going to just buy a fabric if you have fabric at home, velvet fabric that is, and we prefer the upholstery fabric to use. I've been using this technique for a while now. I find it's way more inexpensive in that I can get a lot more ribbon than buying the ribbon on the roll. I just created my own using velvet fabric. So let's get to it. For this project we'll be using upholstery velvet, pliers, a ruler, scissors, wire, a pen, and glitter and glue. They are optional. Going to be used for our project. So I am simply taking a ruler and I'm using 2 inches. So the width of this ruler is 1 inch. So I'm using 2 inches. Put some measurements off and I'm drawing off 2 inches. And what we are basically doing is making our own ribbon. Now I know that you all are accustomed with ribbon with wire in it, and those are easy to use, but this is a way more cost-effective way to make your bow. So we have our ribbon, and basically what we're doing is we are cutting for the size of the bow. So I'm deciding how large I want my bow to be. And whatever length I'm using for my bow, I'm using that same length for my tail. And I can make it shorter afterwards. So this is very simple. The simple thing is, you find the center of the bow and you can mark it off with your pen behind. And you simply bring your fabric overlap to the back and find the center of the other piece and put that center, and what you simply do is just gather on this point here. It's as simple as that. When we have gathered on this point, we're taking a piece of wire, you're wrapping it around. If you want, you can leave a piece on top, so this could be a piece to attach to your Christmas tree. And voila! You have created a bow. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a 45-degree angle on the edge. Same thing on the other edge. And I'm going to add some glitter dust on this.